Welcome to Maths Lesson 40. Rounding. Round these numbers to the nearest 100. 4,758. How do you round that to the nearest 100? The hundreds column is the 7. Have a look at the column to the right. That's the 5 in the tens column. That's the number that will tell you whether you need to round up or round down. Will you round up to 4,800, or will you round down to 4,700? You are going to round up to 4,800. You round up if the next column to the right is a 5 up to a 9. If your next column to the right is a number 0 to 4, you will round down. Let's try another one. 12,291. Round to the nearest 100. Your hundreds column is a 2. The next column to the right is a 9. So will you round up to the nearest 100 or down to the nearest 100? You will round up to 12,300. $416,036. Your hundreds column is the 0. So the next column to the right is a 3. 3. Does that mean round up or round down? 3 means round down. So rounding to the nearest 100 is 416,000. Rounding can be really useful, particularly if you need to estimate an answer. James buys some sunglasses for £11.54 and a hat for £6.98. What change does he get from £20? The first thing that you need to do in this problem is to work out how much James spent altogether. Sunglasses, £11.54. Hat, £6.98. If you add the two together, you will find out how much James spent altogether. To find out what change he gets from £20, you need to then start with £20 and take away the total amount that James spent. The answer will be the amount of change he gets from £20. The change that James gets from his shopping expedition is £1.48. Round these to the nearest whole number. A whole number does not have any decimal point number digits after it. So a whole number will be to the left of the decimal point. 3.09. To the nearest whole number. 3 is a whole number. We need to look at the next column to the right to decide whether to round up or down. The next column to the right is 0. 0 means that we round down. So the nearest whole number is 3. .73 rounded to the nearest whole number is 3. And 11.52. 11 is a whole number. Have a look at the next column to the right and decide whether you're going to round up or round down. You are going to round up to 12. Stop the video and go to test 40A. Don't forget to come back to me when you have completed it. Rounding. Rounding to the nearest 10 means that you need to round any digits after the tens column, either up or down. So 612 rounded to the nearest 10 will be 610. If you're rounding to the nearest 10, you need to round any digits after the tens column, either up or down. 618 will round to 620. Round these numbers to the nearest 10. 475. 480. 122. 120. 121. 416. 420. Remember, 0 to 4, round down. 5 to 9, round up. You are ready to take your maths test. Go to Maths, Test 40. Good luck!